This bag is full of secrets for Disney, and we're about to figure out together what's inside. Every time I visit Disney World, there's a key set of essentials that I like bringing with me to keep me comfortable in the parks and help save me money. And I usually pack the exact same things, but I wanted to challenge myself and find some new things to bring to the parks to see if there's anything I've been missing. So to make it a little fun, I gave my sister a $50 Target gift card and asked her to go and pick out some new essentials she think would be helpful at Disney World. And that's what we have in this backpack here. She picked out a couple of essentials for us. I was going to open them up, see what they are, kind of react, and we'll see if they're going to be useful. This is the Loungefly we're going to be using for our upcoming Disney World trip. So let's go ahead and open it up. I just had her put them inside here. We'll just pick them out and see what we got. So let's see what number one will be. Oh, there's some interesting feel. Oh, we've got gum. And if you've been to Disney World before, you may know that they don't actually sell gum at the Disney parks because they don't want it kind of thrown around and messing up the park. So you actually can't buy gum at Disney World. So if you wanted to have gum on your Disney vacation, definitely pack it ahead of time. And Mandy was looking out for us because I actually did not have gum for this upcoming trip. So we are prepared now. Not gonna lie, that was a pretty good first essential that Mandy chose for us. So this next one, just by the feeling, got a mini deodorant, which I know I have never personally brought to the parks. I always bring like a large stick, which takes up way too much space whenever I'm traveling. This one's gonna be perfect, especially for the summertime, whenever it gets really hot. It's nice to reapply your deodorant to freshen up throughout the day. And now we have a mini one to travel better and also put in our Disney park bag. So she was also thinking on that one. Let's kind of shake it up a little bit. I don't know how many things are in here either. Ooh, I don't know what this one is. Ooh, wait, what do we have? Oh, we've got press-on nails. Olive and June. We've got some nice little press-on nails. So usually when I go to the parks, I like to use, we have a gel manicure kit, so I usually just put gel on my nails, but these are actually a little press-on kit that you have. And of course they're pink. It's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna do these. I have never personally done a like press-on nail kit before. So I don't know, we'll give it a try and see how it is. If you've ever tried these before, let me know how you like them. So far that is 3. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got some sunscreen, which of course is an essential when you go to Florida, even if it's not like we're going in January here, which is still pretty chilly, but I still like having sunscreen on hand just in case. You never know when the sun's gonna come out and you don't want to get burnt for your vacation. This is a nice travel size one. I assume it's just from the travel section at Target. All right, so far so good. Let me know what you think of the essentials so far. What do we got here? Oh, we've got a mini toothpaste. Again, really nice to have for your travel size toiletries. This is like the perfect size. We're going for 5 days. This is going to be perfect. Enough toothpaste. And I think it's probably from this travel section again. So you can never go wrong with a little travel toothpaste. And let's see what else we've got. We've got, ooh, Byoma Creamy Jelly Cleanser. I've seen this brand a lot, but have never personally tried any of their products. And let me tell you, I love having a good cleanser, a good face wash after the day. Usually I wear some type of makeup that has an SPF in it. After, especially the summertime, whenever you're just so sweaty and gross, it is so nice to clean up with a nice face wash and just kind of refresh the night. So I am so excited for this. I've never tried Byoma before. Let me know. Oh, it has a little seal, of course. But let me know what you think about this. This is travel friendly too, so it's under the 3 ounces. Of course, we'll be letting you know what we think of it. I know I'll probably get some questions, so I'll try to link some of the products here in the shopping tab, or I'll just put a link below where you can find some of these essentials. Let's see what else we have. Maybe? There's like a really big one. I'm gonna try to save that for last. We've got, I'll show you guys first. We've got Vaseline Advanced Repair. Oh, it's like a lotion. Oh, especially for these winter months, like my hands always get so dry, and down in Florida, it's usually a little, not as dry than up here. So I'm excited to have this, especially after the flight, to kind of freshen up and re-moisturize my hands. And I've never tried like a Vaseline brand lotion before. It's also travel friendly too. So eager to give this a try. Based on feeling around, this might be the very last one, so we'll just go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it's a Billie Razor. And look at how cute, pink and sparkly it is. I have never tried one of these before, but let me tell you, when you go on a trip and you forget your razor, especially in the summertime, it is one of the worst things. I really don't like when I get to the end of the trip and don't have a razor, especially when you're wearing a tank top or a skirt. It's nice to have a razor on hand. And this one's super cute. So it looks like it comes with some refills, but then you can refill it yourself. It's nice pink and sparkly, and it comes with a little magnetic holder so you can hold it in your shower. I don't know, I'm excited about this one. We're gonna bring it down and we'll see how it works whenever we're at the parks. It's a lot of these things seems like they're gonna be really helpful for like the hotel room, but I don't know, this deodorant I'm really excited about that one, but these are gonna be nice to have after park days. I did miss 2 down in here. I wanted to make sure, but of course she got us some face masks. There's nothing like getting home after a long park day to your resort, getting your face all cleaned off and then doing a nice face mask. So nice and relaxing. So we've got a lavender one and a pineapple face mask. So really excited to do these after our long park days. Those are some of the essentials that Mandy picked out for us that she thinks would be nice to have for our upcoming trip. I'm especially excited for the press-on nails to see how those are. And then of course the mini deodorant. This is going right into my park bag, which we've got right here for the trip. So if you need any help with packing or other essentials that I typically bring, I'll be sure to link the video here of all of my typical packing essentials. But I can't wait to take these to the park and tell you guys what I think. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these essentials and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys.